Hello and welcome to the video series. Today, we're going to understand how we can add and customize the banner. So for that, we will go straight into the styling here, and you can see the banner. Have to click it. Right now, you can see the layout. There is no banner. So to enable the banner, you have to simply click on the enable banner. Here we go. This is the banner right here, right? So you can change the color of the banner, according to your own taste. So for that, you have to go here in the container. You can see the container here. You can see the background colors. You have to simply click on it and change it accordingly. You can also set the border color. Simply click on the border and you can choose the color. For example, I choose red, in front of the green. So to make it visible, I will go, you can see here the border style is none. I can do it solid. You can see the solid line here. I can do it dotted, shaded. I can do it dotted, right? Also the box shadow. We can add any box shadow here, subtle left. You can see here. You can do it soft rays, you can do it focus glow, like whatever you want to do, right? So we can go in cross here. All right. So right now you can see there is no banner image. To enable the banner image, you can simply click on the banner. For the desktop, click on the desktop banner. So we already have selected one here. So you can simply select that. You can see here the banners already enabled here. For the mobile, simply click here and select image. So this is for the desktop. To see the mobile banner image, you can simply click on the mobile, and then here we go. All right. Also, to style the banner image, you can see here the layout, right? So on layout, you can see we already have selected the full image. You can do it left and you can do it on the right side as well, right? And for the position, you can see it's on the top. You can do it the inside grid. The overall position is changed, Before there was the top, the banner image was on the top, and then we did the inside grid, so it's now inside the grid, right? So the title is up to you. It's the H2. We have the H2, so it's H2 for now. For animation, you can add animation on the banner image. To enable it, you can simply click here, fat in, right? You can see the slide up, see here, and scale in, blur reveal, and then cinematic zoom. You can add any effect on the banner image. For now, we will go with the none. Now, you can also change the overlay. For it, you can go simply click on the, we can simply go to the overlay here. You can see we already have selected the Blake overlay. Now we can change the overlay direction, right? So it's now right now it's from bottom to top. We can do it top to bottom. You can see here, top to bottom. We can set it to left to right. You can see here, we can do it to right to left, and we can do it radial, right? So it's up to you which one you want to choose. For now, we will go with the top to bottom. And also to change the content on the banner image, we can simply do Alt plus double click on content. You will be land directly on the content, right? On the language tab here. You can also go back and go to the language, but in simple, you can just click Alt, press Alt plus double click on the content, and you will land directly here. So you can see this is the main title, mix and match, and this is the description. You can now you can also add banner list text here. For example, if I say like best serum for rough skin. So if you want to make it in points, you can simply click here and tap it, right? You can see here. So you can write anything like for normal skin, whatever you can write here. So you can do this. So go back to the banner. We can simply double click on the banner and then we will boom, land it here. So here we can also change the color of the title. We have set it black. You can set it black also. For example, you can change the title font family from here. And for description, you can change the color from here. For example, I will do it black, and you can change the font family. And this is the list of color. Can apply. For now, I will set it to black, right? So you can change the color of title, description, and list of text from here. Now let's come to the container size. You can see the minimum height here. From here, we can set height of the banner. You can see here, we can set it maximum, we can set it minimum. So we can set it according to your convenience. So this border radius, you can see the border curve. It's maximizing, minimizing, right? So this is border width. This is margin bottom. You can set this margin for the bottom, right? So this is another one. You can set the overlay from here. You can set it maximum from here. You can set it minimum. For now, we will go with this. And this is the content alignment, right? So content alignment for, you can see it's bottom. You can set it on the top. You can set it on the bottom. You can set it on the center as well, right? So also for the horizontal alignment, you can make it center. You can make it right, and you can set the padding line maximum, minimum, and you can set the padding block as well, up and down. And this is the content gap. You can fix the gap from here between the contents. And let's come to the title sizing, right? You can maximize or minimize the title size from here. You can set it accordingly, and you can font weight. And this is the letter spacing. You can fix it. Let's come down from to here. So line height, you can set it according to your convenience, right? So for the description, this one we can set the things from here, font weight, and so on, right? So this is for the text sizing. You can set it maximum, font weight, letter spacing, and so on. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Bye.